You guys, welcome back to another update. We're going to do XRP right now, but just wanted to show you, look at Jasmine, my gosh. This coin on my other friend's channel, he would post and now see it was at 0.45. I had seen it right around here when the markets were really bad at 0.27, and now it's gone crazy high, man. I might do an update on this at some point, but let's go straight to XRP. Oops, I think I went up. That's there. Okay, so we are at 47. As you can see, some market manipulation is still happening around here, trying to suppress the price. But anyway, so let's go straight into the daily and check out what's going on there. Okay, you can see we bounced back up from this point, came down, we touched this support line, we came back over here, and now we are broken back up to the next support line. Well, if I go straight into the weekly, this support line has been holding ever since 2022. It's been holding up nicely since June somewhere, I guess. Yeah, June, June of 06, July 06. We've been holding up very nice. Oh, sorry, I went too far ahead. Yeah, July 2022, from the 11th. It's a very, very strong trend line. And you can see the biggest one, which is just below that, which will go back all the way to 2020 of July. Almost 1 year, or 2 years, almost 2 years. And that trend line has been holding up very, very steadily. So coming back here, if you remember in the previous videos, I told you about a cup and handle. We had an elongated cup and handle over there, which came back down, and then most probably, if you go back to the previous videos, you'll see what I've told you, that once we come here and we bounce above the line, we're bound to go back up. So hopefully if Bitcoin hits around $56,000 to around 60, we will definitely see that happening. But at the moment, the stock RSI is looking very nice. We bounced once here, went back up, and looks like we're bouncing again. So then if that happens, then it's going to become something like, oops, where is it? So it's like something like this. And so this does look familiar, I hope, to some people, right? This definitely looks familiar. That's like almost like a double bottom, in fact. Let's remove all this. To go back on and exit. Sorry about that, guys. Yeah. Come back to the daily. Okay, so if that does happen, if we bounce back up, that'd be huge, man. But we need to break above this point any which way. There's this one point here, which is 56.55. If we break above this neckline, then we can push all the way to 64. And then if we break above that, obviously, then it's going higher. But the critical one is over here, which is where the most of the buyers are at and the sellers. So let's make that point. So it's somewhere here. Somewhere here. So we need to break above this. We need to break above this point and get into that box. Then we'll get in like kind of like a demand zone, and then we just shoot right to the top. But keep in mind one thing, on the daily, if you see the stock RSI, it doesn't look very good. It looks like we're going to push back down again. Hopefully we don't break this line, because if we do break this line, we got one more here and then one more here. After that, it's just downhill. We're going downhill. But I definitely have hopes, and I do believe the SEC has settled with XRP, and that news should come out soon at some point. So just keep in mind that we are awaiting some news. Anyway, see you on the next one, okay? Bye-bye.